Testing Neuralink chip on humans. New augmented reality glasses. This is bad. Controlling things with your brain was something that was only seen in movies, but things are getting out of hand lately because the tech icon Mr. Elon Musk has actually been working on a device that will be able to control not just animals, but humans as well from just a chip. And on top of that, he is also in the race for augmented reality as well. The man is now manufacturing augmented reality glasses that make you feel as if things that are in the virtual world are actually happening in the real world. But this is just a glimpse of his ideas to turn into realities. Watch this video till the end to get to know more about this. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hit the like and subscribe button to turn your wish into reality. And don't forget to press the tiny bell icon to never miss an update from us. And with that being said, let's get started. The Silicon Valley company Neuralink has already implanted artificial intelligence microchips in a pig named Gertrude and a macaque monkey named Pager. Now it's looking for a clinical trial director to run tests on humans. The advert for the role says, as the clinical trial director, you'll work closely with some of the most innovative doctors and top engineers, as well as working with Neuralink's first clinical trial participants. You will lead and help build a team responsible for enabling Neuralink's clinical research activities and developing the regulatory interactions that come with a fast-paced and ever-evolving environment. Musk said he was cautiously optimistic that the implants would assist tetraplegics in walking. He said in an interview that we hope to have this in our first humans, which will be people that have severe spinal cord injuries like tetraplegics, quadriplegics, next year pending Food and Drug Administration, FDA approval. He added, I think we have a chance with Neuralink to restore full body functionality to someone who has a spinal cord injury. Neuralink's working well in monkeys, and we're actually doing just a lot of testing and just confirming that it's very safe and reliable and the Neuralink device can be removed safely. Musk predicted in 2019 that the device would be implanted in a human skull by 2020, but we never got to see this due to COVID. Musk says the device will be implanted flush with skull and charges wirelessly, so you look and feel totally normal. According to him, people should think of this technology as replacing faulty/missing neurons with circuits. And he said progress will accelerate when we have devices in humans. How to have nuanced conversations with monkeys next year. Moreover, a video was previously released by Neuralink showing a monkey that had been implanted with the chip playing the video game Pong using only its mind. Musk claims this brain-computer interface lets people think themselves into action. One of Musk's first goals, helping paraplegics regain their independence. But it doesn't end there. Musk thinks one day the company's technology will not only treat, but cure brain disorders and even let people relive memories like photo albums. Paraplegics should be able to walk and brain disorders should be cured. You can even order a pizza by thinking about it. Some experts worry Musk is overstating what Neuralink's implants can do. Christoph Koch, a researcher at the Elon Institute for Brain Science, said, unlike Tesla or SpaceX, we are not talking about technological problems or infrastructure problems. These are fundamental science problems. Musk said, even in a benign AI scenario, we will be left behind, but with a brain-machine interface, we can actually go along for the ride. To start with, the kind of AI Musk is scared of is still science fiction, with computer scientists divided over when and if it will ever arrive. Many think it is at least a few decades off. And second, Musk envisions Neuralink's brain-computer interface as a two-way communication device, so even if Neuralink succeeds in Musk's grand vision, its implants could be a way for super-intelligent machines to dominate humans, as well as a tool humans can use to ensure their dominance over super-intelligent machines. In either case, high-bandwidth brain-computer mind melds are still years, if not decades away. Moreover, on April 2020, study reported that a team of researchers successfully restored feeling to a participant's hand with a severe spinal cord injury. Musk's claim of restoring mobility with a BCI is definitely doable. However, questions remain about how much functionality these systems will be able to produce and how easy they will be to use. Also, there are questions about the long-term safety of putting implants in the brain. As mentioned before, the BCI will treat neurological conditions like Parkinson's disease, and some of this can already be done with current technology, like deep brain stimulation. So Neuralink could actually make it better. However, the current configuration of the Neuralink device, which has electrodes close to the surface of the cortex, isn't set up to conduct deep brain stimulation. And guess what? The implant will take less than 1 hour without general anesthesia. And shockingly, each thread carrying electrodes for monitoring brain activity is thinner than a human hair. An electrode feeds into the link device, which is about 1/4 diameter and 5 times as thick, so it sits in a hole drilled into the skull. But the brain surgery is already often done under local anesthesia since the brain doesn't have pain receptors. so it is possible that Neuralink will be able to deliver on this promise. While the surgical robot it plans to use to implant its BCI has not yet gone through clinical testing, there are certainly risks associated with drilling into the skull and bleeding during electrode implantation. But hope they will be able to do it as soon as possible. But apart from this, talking about the AR glasses, Tesla has filed a patent application for an application that was developed to help factory workers in the creation of augmented reality applications, a technique that Tesla previously used in its Google Glass trials in Fremont. Tesla reported exclusively in 2016 that they were using wearable tech to boost production efficiency at their factory. And after Google launched Google Glass, a wearable AR device, they considered changing the product from a consumer to an enterprise-focused product. They launched an Explorer Edition, and several companies started developing apps for it. Based on a patent application that went public recently, Tesla has patented an AR application that could be used in Google Glass-like devices. The augmented reality application for manufacturing describes a system that overlays data on top of AR glasses that workers could use as safety glasses. According to Tesla's patent application, some examples relate to automotive manufacturing. An augmented reality AR application for manufacturing is disclosed. In some embodiments, computer vision and augmented reality techniques are utilized to identify an object of interest and the relationship between a user and the object. As an example, a user could own a smartphone with a camera and sensors, or a pair of AR smart glasses. In some cases, the AR glasses are safety glasses. The AR device shows a live view of an object of interest, like an automotive part. AR devices are able to determine both the location of the device and the type of object of interest. The AR device can identify a right-hand front shock tower on a car. It can also overlay the view of the object of interest with information related to its features, such as mechanical joints, interfaces with other parts, e-coating thickness, etc. And among joint features are spot welds, self-pierced rivets, laser welds, structural adhesive, and sealants. So users can adjust the overlay data of the detected features as they move around an object from the AR device's perspective. So the user can also interact with the AR device. For example, a user can display information on each of the identified features, and in some embodiments, the AR device displays the tolerances associated with each detected feature, such as the location of a spot weld or hole. And the overlay data on the view of the object includes details for assembly, such as the order in which laser welds must be performed, the type of weld to be performed, the tolerance associated with each feature, and whether the feature was assembled correctly. In various embodiments, the AR device detects features of a physical object and displays digital information interactively to the user. The data associated with the object of interest is presented to help the user more efficiently perform a manufacturing task. Pretty cool, right? But doesn't Tesla's system sound like what we saw in a promotional video in 2016 about Tesla using Google Glass at its factory? In that patent, Tesla says it will use computer vision to analyze what workers see, such as the thickness of a part's coating, and help them make quality control decisions. But whatever the case may be, this technology has the potential to speed up manufacturing, and in particular, the manufacturing of auto parts and vehicles. Anyway, what do you guys think about this technology? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section. And if you liked the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And for more such content, press the bell icon. And that's us, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay safe.